In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best attic fan in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which attic fan is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Broan-NuTone Galvanized Fan. Top quality ventilator. Attic ventilator functions to eliminate superheated attic air in spaces up to 2,280 square feet at 1,600 CFM. Durable, real estate constructed of galvanized steel ribbed for extra stamina with installing for lasting use. Efficient, 14-inch diameter steel blade is specifically developed for maximum air activity. Durable, thermally secured, the completely oiled electric motor is developed to last. Easy to use, the device runs automatically with an adjustable, built-in thermostat for your convenience. Update your house with Broan-NuTone's Gable mount attic ventilator. This ventilator keeps your attic cool, as well as dry all day long at an optimum 537 CFM for approximately 2,280 square feet. The 14-inch diameter steel blade fan is pitched for optimum air circulation to maintain your living location cooler, prolong the life of your AC system, and save energy and also cash. The unit has a galvanized steel real estate ribbed for added stamina with installing braces to simplify the setup. The attic ventilator runs immediately and consists of a built-in flexible thermostat with a thermally secured oiled electric motor. This HVI certified system likewise consists of an integrated screen to stay out pests, animals, or birds without hindering airflow. Change your house today with Broan-NuTone's Gable mount attic ventilator. Here is the item number 4, QuietCool Smart Attic Gable. Variable 3-speed ultra energy efficient ECM QuietCool Smart App Control. Approximately 2,830 CFM above at 163 watts and also to 1,343 CFM at 22 watts, fire security sense shutoff, plug and play. One of the most powerful for the least intake. Our smart attic line can operate on as reduced as 22 watts while producing 2,801 CFM of airflow. The Smart Pro Attic Fan includes a smart control app that enables you to set presets, regulate your fan from anywhere in your residence, as well as manage your attic room temperature level. Using built-in installing tabs, set up Pro Attic Gable follower and plug-in for instantaneous cooling. The smart control app will certainly permit you to transform your attic fan on whenever you need it. Wait one day, as well as your attic room temperature will certainly be cooled down and also maintained by up to 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. 2-speed auto modification based upon attic temperature level, included presets for all seasons and climate zones. See your current attic temperature and humidity level, easy to use application control from anywhere in your residence. The common range is up to 100 feet. Array undergoes house dimension and building. Innovative functions for unrivaled performance. Ultra energy reliable ECM motor, goes for 2,801 CFM, as reduced as 22 watts. Built-in installing tabs, air vent cover, plug as well as play, easy installation, 3-speed electric motor. The item number 3, QuietCool Smart Attic Gable. Energy efficient 2-speed PSC motor, QuietCool Smart App Control. As much as 2,940 CFM over at 256 watts, fire safety and security sense shutoff, plug as well as play, no electrical wiring. One of the most powerful attic rooms for half the consumption of a conventional attic follower. Our Smart Pro Attic Follower works on as low as 181 watts, generating 2,940 CFM of airflow. The Smart Pro Attic Fan features a smart control app that enables you to set presets, control your follower from throughout your residence, and control your attic temperature level. Using built-in mounting tabs, install Pro Attic Gable follower, as well as plug-in for immediate cooling. The smart control app will certainly permit you to turn your attic follower on whenever you require it. Wait one day and your attic temperature will be cooled down and also preserved by as much as 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. 2-speed vehicle modification based upon attic room temperature level, consisted of presets for all seasons as well as environment areas. See your current attic temperature level and humidity degree, easy-to-use app control from throughout your home. Typical variety depends on 100 feet range goes through house dimension and also building. Number 2 on our list, İLiving mounted exhaust fan. Cut air conditioning expenses, reduce costly cooling costs in the house. Ready to set up, our wall-mounted automatic shutter air vent follower is made to aid to keep your home cooler and even more comfy year-round. Multi-purpose, perfect cooling and also ventilation solution for any kind of area at your residence including the attic room, garage, shed, as well as more. Corrosion resistant, the totally confined electric motor is thermally shielded as well as permanently lubricated for easy maintenance. Variable rate, personalize your comfort. İLiving exhaust fan has flexible rate functionality when integrated with the İLiving ILG8 SFSC speed controller. Climate-resistant shutters, built from resilient, high-grade lightweight aluminum, these shutters can endure moisture as well as heat longer than other rivals items adding to the follower's durability. Powerful as reliable, little yet mighty, you'll take pleasure in the power and also the effectiveness of İLiving's shutter exhaust fan. The follower comes completely assembled out of the box, the only setup required is the electric hardwiring. The shutter follower comes in 8 various dimensions, 10 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches, 24 inches, 30 inches, as well as 36 inches. The 18-inch shutter follower has both a variable rate ILG8 SF24V and also a solitary speed design. The İLiving 30-inch as well as 36-inch shutter followers are just readily available in single speed. For variable speed versions, the İLiving ILG8 SFSC rate controller is marketed separately. The top one in our list, İLiving shutter exhaust attic. Cut air conditioning costs, minimize costly cooling expenses at home. Ready to install, our wall-mounted automatic shutter air vent fan is made to aid maintain your space colder and also more comfortable year-round. Multi-purpose, perfect cooling and also ventilation option for any type of room at your house consisting of the attic room, garage, shed, and also extra. Corrosion resistant, the fully confined motor is thermally shielded and also completely lubricated for simple maintenance. Thermostat control, tailor your comfort. İLiving exhaust fan includes 3 speeds and also integrated thermostat control to help regulate space temperature within a range of 32 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Weather condition immune shutters, built from durable, state-of-the-art lightweight aluminum, these shutters can withstand wetness and heat longer than various other competitors' items adding to the fan's longevity. Simple installation, simple, electrical contractor-free installation when connected into an approved electric outlet. Box includes 6-foot cord, common 3-prong plug and air conditioning cord. İLiving wall-mounted shutter exhaust fan with thermostat control. Are you searching for a trustworthy means to lower your air conditioning expenses while keeping your home cooler and more comfortable year-round? If so, you found simply what you're searching for. Made with top-notch materials, workmanship, and engineering, the İLiving shutter exhaust follower is created to use exceptional airflow in any room you choose to set up to keep your space cooler and even more comfortable year-round while decreasing costly air conditioning expenses. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best attic fan amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.